floodwaters. Look at the floodwaters. Look at it up there.
Yeah. I love driving through this stuff.
Holy crap. Just be careful because it's pretty deep there. I didn't think we were ever going to get a break. And then the dishwasher comes out with an umbrella and goes out to have a cigarette. And I'm thinking, really? You couldn't lend us an umbrella or a garbage bag to get the baby to the car? Water. You know,
I couldn't wait for that.
That's when somebody's standing at the bus stop. You're like, duck! Holy crap, look at it. Look at it coming down ahead of us.
Yeah.
You can hardly see.
So we are literally officially storm chasers.
Yep.
If we drive slow enough, we won't go back in it.
I know. We're videotaping it too.
Gives you a good idea about how fast the storm's traveling.
Okay, here it comes.
Nope, we don't need any more confusion. This is plenty.
It's pretty bad right now, Marley. Hold on.
Music just makes these things a little bit harder to focus. Okay.
It's totally different sitting in the house and being out here in it.
Oh yeah. I actually don't mind it when it's like this, but like trying to do 60 on the freeway right now would be a good idea.
Yeah, look at how foggy it is in front of us. That's why I said if you get
Look at the sewer drain.
holy shit.
Pretty bad when you're at the top of the hill and the top of the hill is flooded.
For real. If you can get ahead of this, then you'll be okay.
Yeah.
It's lightning too.
Marley, did you leave anything in the house? Okay.
It's really pouring. Check the storm drains. Oh man, look. The storm drain over there to your left.
Holy shit.
And you got Rachel driving. Hey, Rach. Road tripping. Look, storm drain. Storm drain. Wait till you get up into our neighborhood now.
This one or no?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the other one, right?
Huh?
I'm going around the other way, right?
Yeah, you could take me.
Let me know which way.
First stop sign, make a right.
Okay.
That's the way we came down.
If I can find one. It's Marley. It's like being on a water slide a day early.
Yeah, look at that. Mother
Yeah,
Nature.
both on site, right? Okay.
Okay, stop sign, make a right. I can almost guarantee if these storm drains are like this, our storm drain at the end of the street's bad. Now they put a stop sign up here before the tracks now.
Now, are you still going to try to move your truck?
No, I'll do that later. I'm not going out in this crap. I told you the cameras, whenever it's raining, the cameras get, yeah, go ahead. The cameras get wet, you can't see.
And right?
Yep. Straight on down. Let's see what the storm drains look like down here. that one's going up. This one, look. Stop.
Did I go?
No, I got it. Okay, go ahead. You gonna try to turn around at the end?
Oh no, I got that their driveway, right?
Yeah. We got Lake Sapienza in front of the house.
Your feet, or not your feet. Move your feet. Hands back just a little. Thanks.
Doesn't seem to be raining as hard here.